Here's a beautiful low-mile Shelby GT500, 2008 model year. As you can see, factory original color, torch red charcoal interior. This particular car has a clean Carfax, adult owned and driven. Car spent its entire life in Michigan before coming to us here in Minnesota, and no, this one has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. If you're familiar with cold weather states, these tires that are on this car, you pretty much don't take them out if it gets 40 degrees or below. Recommended right from Ford in the door jamb. You can actually see that in one of the tags I've taken the picture of. It's still riding on the original tires and wheels. Be the aluminum SVT wheel, Goodyear Eagle radials, and again, those are the original tires to this vehicle. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can check out the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, trunk, check out the underside pics. It's very, very clean. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website where you can see the pics, and feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. I want to show you the front of this. Lots of times, if you're going to get any rocks picked up for chips, sort of road debris, anything like that, it's going to show up here in the front. As you can see, this is extremely clean. Stripes on it are white vinyl. I have not seen any spot in this car that makes me think there's been any sort of paint work. And again, clean Carfax. The only thing that I've come across that has been done to this car, as a well-maintained car should have had, the recalls were done for the passenger and driver's side airbag, as well as the battery was replaced, and it was replaced with a Ford Motorcraft battery, if that tells you anything. You can tell this car's been well taken care of. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. If you're located in the continental United States, we can assist with the shipping of this car, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, of course, the 5.4 liter dual overhead cam supercharged engine, putting out 500 horse, 480 pound-feet of torque. You have 331 rear end gears in this car, 6-speed manual transmission, all stock. No modifications done to this one. Kept the way that it came from Ford. Once again, phone number 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures. Alright, let's check out the interior in this car. By the way, this does have the Shaker 1000 stereo system to it. Power windows, power locks, of course, AC. Power steering, power brakes, tilt, cruise. Driver's information center on this one. Power driver's seat. And take a look at the leather, and you can tell hardly any sort of wear to that seat. About 6,800 miles again on this car. Let's go ahead and check out the exact mileage. Start it up so you can hear it. We'll check out the engine bay. I did say 6-speed transmission. I hope earlier I didn't say 5. So it would be a 6-speed manual transmission. Alright, 6884 as far as the miles. All gauges working. That indicator light is only for the seatbelt because I don't have it on. Alright. It's your Shaker 1000 stereo system. You can also take a look at the door cards, those door panels right there. Lots of times would start to separate between the glue and the foam. Great shape on both of these. You can check those out in the still pictures. Dash, not sun-baked, cracked, worn in any way. There's that door panel. Stock and looking good yet. Alright. And again, no modified exhaust. Stock exhaust is what it came with. Nice little rumble out of that. When you get on these on the highway, get that blower whistle. A nice throaty exhaust. They sound a little tame sitting idling, but that 500 horse comes alive on these. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. Alright, here we go. 5.4 liter supercharged V8 torquey engine at 480 pound-feet of torque. See the hood liner? You can tell this thing hasn't been out in any sort of weather, how clean that hood liner is. And again, no sockets or wrenches, any of those inner fender bolts. I don't, again, see any signs of body being painted, worked on, anything like that. Look at how smooth that's running. Nice and tidy, clean engine bay. Like I said, Motorcraft battery was replaced in 2018. Both airbag recalls have been done. This is a nice one, folks. 2008 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. 6,800 miles approximately. Clean Carfax. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can see the fix this. Look at the underside pics. Immaculate. And remember, financing is available. We do consider trades. If you're in the continental United States, we can assist with shipping this car to you. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call.